brakes are very non-existent. It's also like the speedster that really wants to step out and kill you, especially with the extra torque. Our Opel Speedster is in pieces, waiting to be, I don't know, CNC'd or something, judging by the look of it. We're still in the middle of the move. But today we're driving something related to that, in a way. Alright, so over here we have Opel GT. That could be seen as, well, the next car in the Opel Speedster family, I think, kinda?
Yeah, it kinda is the car afterwards, but it has not much.
Nothing to do with it.
Nothing to do with it.
Because funny enough, it's not a model on its own, because like the Speedster is based on Lotus Elise or Exige or something chassis, this is based on...
Pontiac Solstice or Saturn Skyhawk, a GM base,
yeah.
American.
Yeah, so something like that. And it's also not as light as the previous one, because like 1400 kilos you said?
Yeah,
with...
1400 kilos. It's pretty heavy for what it is. Yeah.
What's the power output on this?
It has around 300 horsepower.
Oh, that's nice actually. Yeah, so we're like basically in today's standards of cars.
Yeah.
300 horsepower and 1300 plus kilos. What is the age actually of it?
The age, it's from 2008, so almost, yeah, it's 17, 18 years.
Nice.
Quite old.
Still not allowed to drink in the US, but allowed to drive basically, so that's good. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I mean, we can talk about the mods, of course. So we have Sport Contact 7 tires that I really, really love. And behind, we see actually some nice suspension lurking through it. So it's not stock, I presume.
Yeah, it's a STX suspension, so I don't have to set it up myself. So, yeah.
Nice.
Works quite good.
Yeah.
For the car.
Brakes are stock-ish?
Yeah, brakes are sadly stock. I tried to get upgrade pads, but they didn't arrive in time.
Okay, all right.
So,
That's fine. We'll take it easy because it's obviously stock. But overall, yeah, I'm very excited to try out the platform to see how it differs to the Speedster, of course. Of course, there's going to be a lot of weight, especially with two of us in it. Will be like 1500 kilos. But yeah, should be nice. Any other mods to mention or peculiarities?
It's got bracing on the back for the axle, on the front for the axle, and on the middle on the drive shaft tunnel to make it stiffer, because on its alone it was very soft and it bended everywhere.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's good that suspension is at least modified, because that's of course a very important feature on the Nürburgring Nordschleife. And having said that, I think the truck is about to reopen in 10 minutes, so we should proceed. So let's go. Alrighty, we made it to the track. The traction control is off. Oh, it's already 92 degrees on coolant temperature, so that's the only thing that we need to keep an eye out. You only see speedometer because the position is kind of like awkward for a single camera, so I decided to show you the speed. Oh, that's actually not too bad. Oh, actually pretty much also gives me the Opel Speedster vibes when it's supercharged. Pretty. Very nice. So far so good. Impressive. Are very non-existent. It's also like the Speedster that really wants to step out and kill you, especially with the extra torque. What? The chassis has definitely good potential, that I can tell you. That's very nice. Oh, you're losing some keys or something?
Yeah, something in the back, I guess. Maybe there's the tire pressure thing that we can
Brother from another mother, Miata, although we are much heavier.
Yeah, I mean in America it was named the American MX-5, but it's not very...
Yeah, not very MX-5-ish.
Nah, way too heavy.
Makes sense.
It also got a 70% differential lock, so that's quite good.
Ah, yeah. Actually, yeah. Also off throttle, it's really, the turning is very nice. Turning is really quite cool. I like that. It's really just the brakes is a bit unfortunate, but gives you a reason to come back.
Yeah, probably. I mean, there's nothing much to upgrade. The aftermarket support in Germany is horrible.
Yeah.
Because there are only like 4,000 weights or sold here. So nobody has them. Yeah. And the American imports are not allowed here. So.
I guess this car is still quite uncommon nowadays.
Yeah, for sure.
Temperature is stable at 96 for now.
Yeah, it shouldn't rise very much because the cooling is pretty adequate.
Okay.
But we'll see.
Yeah. Well, let's see what's going to go on the climb later.
Yeah,
because now the car doesn't need to work a lot.
Yeah, that's after the cooling thing.
Yeah. Woohoo! Acceleration is good, handling is good, rotation is nice. It is still a sports car. I mean, for today's standards, it's a sports car. For almost 20 years ago, it's of course a bit on the heavy side, but compared to what's there available today, it's really quite good. Yeah.
I'm quite impressed on how fast you can push it to turns. I've driven it before on the ring, but only on the stock suspension and without bracing, and yeah, I didn't felt that.
Yeah. It's really good. Just like I said, the brakes, I would really love to have something better, because then we can carry much more speed through it.
Yeah.
But we're doing the best we can with the materials we have.
Yeah.
Position is also very good for the pedals. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you may be too big or too tall for it, but I guess it fits good, right?
Yeah, for me it's nice.
Okay, but for larger friends, like when they are like 190 or so, it's pretty tight.
Yeah.
But that just came through the software. I don't know what they programmed in there, but it works quite nice.
Yeah. line by the end of the corner.
Yeah, that's
Very nice.
a bit sad that it doesn't have a 6th gear, but
Yeah.
the car's like a typical GM part. It has the same transmission as the Hammer or every General Motors pickup. It's like not really sporty normally, but I think it shifts quite good for it.
Nice. That's it.
That was quite quick.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the experience.
Very nice. And now I'm gonna let the brakes go down a bit. Yeah, very cool. What's it called? Water temperature is 101.
Yeah, that's nothing to worry about. That's
Yeah,
quite
and it's
good.
dropping immediately, so it's good. Yeah, what can I say? Has lots of potential because handling is good. You have, of course, the good tires, some modified suspension, and some bracing. So that's, I mean, we cannot compare it to the stock car, but as said, it has lots of potential. So that's it's a sports car for today's standards. Back then, it's maybe a bit heavy, but for today, it's perfectly fine, and you still have some comfort, like it's soft and I don't know, you have radio maybe somewhere there. I like that. It's like the only thing, brakes. That's definitely needs some attention. And yeah, for the rest I wouldn't know. The happy days. Really, really cool car.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, very, very nice.